Hey guys, we received this Enfire language translator device. It's a 144 languages and accents with a 3.7-inch touchscreen. So this is a W12 model with the AI image translator device. So it's a portable two-way voice translator. So let's open this. So this is the whole accessory stuff. So this comes with the case as well. So let's open this up. And this is a very portable small factor design, as you can see, even smaller than phone. So it's a speaker inbuilt in the back and the camera. So let's open up and remove this protective covering. This also comes with this inbuilt protective case. So just put it in here. So everything is taken care of so that you can have a protective device. This also have this charging cable as well as the data cable that you can use is a USB-C with the USB on the other side. Also have this lanyard that you can put in on the side and just put it there to have the strap and the band. So here you can put this lanyard. So I'm not just putting it, but I'm just showing you that you can put it in this lanyard as well to hold this device. So once say the charging and the things, so let's open up. So this is the power on and off button. So this will take some seconds to start and up or coming running. So the good thing with this is like it have the both translation and you can do the translation on the side. So let's test and try this and see how this work. So this open up, it's a touch screen, so that's a good thing. And you can then just use and choose. So here you can choose the language that you want. So I'm just setting it up. So basically it's a
ये
74
एक
languages
ट्रायल
and
है।
the 70
This
accents
is a
with a
trial
98% accuracy. So
इसमें
let's
हम सब
see.
चीज़ें दिखाएंगे।
in which we will show all the things.
I'm using Hindi
तुम ये कैसा कर रहे हो?
and it's
How
translating
are you
to
doing this?
English.
ये
And I
रेस्टोरेंट
can
कहाँ
say
पे है?
it's really doing a
Where is
good
this
job in
restaurant?
translation.
और बताओ तो मुझे कहाँ पर जाना है?
And then tell me where should I go?
Now I'm just trying from English to Hindi.
अभी तुम where I want to go?
मैं कहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ?
Let's go to a restaurant.
चलो एक रेस्तरां में चलते हैं.
This is a really great thing, like
So what is the
it's
about?
very accurate
तो
and
बात
is
क्या
doing
है?
really well by transferring to Hindi to English or English to Hindi. You can also translate to other languages that you can choose. This also have the settings here, touch screen, and you can also do a lot of settings things here. You can see some of them can be connected to Wi-Fi for direct conversions or translations, and this also have this AI feature that I will show you up. So here you can take any photo and this will detect the text and translate. So that's a very good feature for science and other things that you can do. So basically I like the whole concept here with a portable translation. Very nice if you move to any other country or the different countries or travel regularly. This is a very helpful thing. There's a speaker inside, that's good, and then it's have a Bluetooth. You can connect your headphones. It's totally up to you. Very customizable and very nice thing. And you can see like it translate to this picture and then translate it to the other language. So basically a very helpful and good thing to have. Choose the language on the top and then you can convert. Very nice thing.